Alright guys, we're back. What's going on? How's the sound? Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. We have so much to discuss. It's a lot. This week, it's massive. We have mobile, we have React Native, we have Chainlink, Hackathon. We have a new giveaway, of course, of our mages. We will go through the weekly challenge that we have. We have a OpenSea plugin for Moralis. We have so much things going on, guys. It's insane. It's actually insane. Let me get my hair going. Perfect. Oh my god. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Let's see. There you go. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Still waiting for people to drop in as I created this stream a bit late. Like I always do, to be honest. I create them like 1 minute too late. We already should be live. I haven't even created the live stream event. But let me start sharing and preaching. Let's see. Let's see. Zoom out. As you can see, this is about Chainlink. We have our Chainlink Hackathon. I'm gonna do like this. And then I need my face. There you go, guys. There you go. Perfect. How should I make it a bit nicer? Let me do like this maybe. Yeah, yes, like this. So let's start with that. As you know, we have the Chainlink Hackathon going on right now. If you haven't yet, go to chain.link/hackathon and register, because you can use Moralis, and we have a $50,000 prize pool here for everyone who uses Moralis. So yeah, you can see right here. So the first prize gets 10K, and then we have 8 other projects getting, what is it? Sorry guys, we have, let me not misquote myself, but first prize is 10K and the rest is 5K. So 8 other projects get 5K. This is for the Chainlink Hackathon. If you are not here yet, you should participate. And also we did do a presentation here on Chainlink a day ago, 2 days ago, on the 25th. It was Monday. Today is 27th exactly. So I explained Moralis to the Chainlink community, which went very, very well. It was very good presentation and very good response, so that's good. Now, moving to some heavier announcements. As you know, we're giving away the NFTs for weekly challenges, and today's weekly challenge was all about building a polling solution for us that we can use here on the live streams, because last week we had some horrible situation with the poll. The poll did not work, and that's because it wasn't really built for decentralization. We're right now in the decentralized era. So this week the challenge was to build some kind of polling solution, so we can do polls. And the winner of today's weekly challenge gets the latest NFT, Moralis Malevolent. Okay, Moralis Malevolent. And as you can see, we do have a Halloween theme going on. So altogether right now, there are 5 NFTs. And as you can see, they do get bids already. Nobody has sold out of mages. As you can see, we still have 0 traded volume because nobody is selling. I see, by the way, Legend in the comment section right here. So Legend is holding this one. So he could cash out for 0.17 instantly. But instead, he's holding. And this is the power of the strong hands of Moralis Mage. Because there is no way to get these mages without programming. You have to program. And if you want to get the mage without programming, then you have to buy it from one of the current holders. And the hands are strong here. I'm telling you, the hands are strong. But anyway, today we're giving away Moralis Malevolent, exactly. And this is going to be to the winner of the weekly challenge, which we're going to decide in this stream as well, of course. Now, some more announcements. We have Moralis Academy being formed. As you know, it is a rebrand of Ivan Tech Academy, but right now we're consolidating everything under one flag, under one brand, and that's why Tech Academy is now Moralis Academy, and I think it turned out very, very nicely. I mean, if you go here, you see the landing page. We still have some optimizations to do, like this image should be a bit faster, but man, it looks so nice. I'm really, really pleased with the work of our team and how we have redesigned, and we've basically pivoted towards Moralis Academy. So from Tech Academy to Moralis Academy, it's so nice. We have, of course, a lot of success stories from our past days in Tech Academy, and we hope to bring even more now with Moralis Academy. And soon we are launching the official Moralis course in the Academy. It's going to be certification. It's going to be very serious. So the whole idea here is that we are creating Moralis experts, and this is going to be a big part of Moralis that we had plans for from the beginning, but we didn't really have a chance to do them yet because we've had so much to do. It's been crazy. But you know that from the start, we've had this idea of Moralis experts. And how do these Moralis experts come about? Well, they get the Moralis certification. A Moralis certification, it will be from Moralis Academy. But before we can do that, we need to launch an official Moralis course, which we're working on right now. And it needs to be very well thought through, which is going to have that you have to build projects. You have to really show that you're a great developer. I mean, that's the thing. To be a Moralis expert, you really need to show that you are a great developer. You know the practice, you know the theory. So this is going to be very, very good for our community, because the number one problem that people have in this space is not enough developers. That you see a lot of projects, but they need developers. And with Moralis, you can build quickly, but very soon also, we will offer Moralis experts. And this way, you know that if you use Moralis, there's going to be a lot of people that can help you. There's going to be a huge developer base that know how to build with Moralis. So that is coming very, very soon. And that's a big step for us. We did release OpenSea plugin. I haven't yet recorded video on it, but it already works. Basically, with OpenSea, you know that a lot of data is not on chain. So you basically need a way to speak to OpenSea to get, for example, the orders, the bids, the bid history, to get some of the NFT metadata. For example, if NFT is lazy minted, there is no data about that NFT on chain. So you cannot use on-chain APIs to get that data. You have to speak to OpenSea directly, to their internal database. And that's why we've built our OpenSea plugin, and we've made it so easy, man. It's so easy. Basically, what you have to do is to write moralis.plugins.opensea.getAsset, and you get all the metadata for the asset, even if that metadata is not on chain. If you want to get orders, you do moralis.plugins.opensea get orders. You get all the orders for that NFT. If you want to sell, you write Moralis plugins OpenSea.sell, create sell order. You can have like expiration time. You can have it ticking down. Basically, you have an auction where the price decreases each time, like each day. And you can have the expiration time, how long you want to have your auction. It's already supported right here. If you want to buy and you want to create a buy order, basically if you see an NFT you like and you want to buy it on OpenSea, you can do it easily via Moralis, one line of code. And as you can see, it is moralis.opensea.create buy order. So this is going to be very, very important for everyone who builds some kind of NFT project, because a big part of it is in OpenSea. For example, to get the data that is not on chain, the Lazymint data, the order history, and so on and so forth. And of course, we're going to add more and more integrations to Moralis, and soon we're going to open it up for third-party developers, which also took a bit more time than expected, this SDK for third-party devs, but it is coming. I assure you it is in the near future. As you know, also, we are working on Lazymint plugin. What does it mean? It means that in order to mint, let's say 100 NFTs, it's not easy right now. I mean, in any tool, using any tool, it's not very easy to do programmatically. You can do it via OpenSea easily, but programmatically it's not easy. And we're going to soon release a plugin that will allow you to lazy mint NFTs. Basically, you can mint 1,000 NFTs without paying any fee and start receiving buy orders for it, or transacting with it, and all of them will get minted instantly. So that is coming soon as well. And it's a big push that we're making on plugins, and this is only the beginning. Now, a big announcement this week has been our official support now for React Native. And this is also something that we still have to do so much more content about. We didn't really have time to do content as we did release the technology, but I'm going to ramp up the content creation on React Native, because this is the only way to create mobile apps easily in crypto. This is officially basically the only way you can very easy go and create mobile apps with crypto. and it's gonna work on iOS, it's gonna work on Android. It's insane, actually, what we've built with React Native. And you can see the example here that we showed you a few days ago. So this is literally a few lines of code to build an app like this.
QR code scan through
where you have, let me actually turn on the sound. I don't know if you can hear. Will this work?
Your crypto wallet.
Maybe
or
not.
you can just
I can
open
just
the
explain to you what he says.
phone.
Oh yeah, you can hear.
Suppose if you have Trust Wallet, it opens up Trust Wallet. You can sign in and come back to this application again. So first, let us try the QR code. I will click on Authenticate with Crypto, and you will see a QR code pops up, and I will connect my Trust Wallet on my phone and see if I can scan this. There you go. I'm connecting, authenticating here, and if I click on confirm, it signs in, and you can see it has successfully signed in. You can use the user crypto address over here, and the native balance is fetched automatically. All this is done by just a few lines of code. I'll show you how it's done, but it just shows you how much power we have right now. Next, let's try logging in through an actual physical device. I installed the React Native app on my physical device over here so we can check out the functionality. So we can go ahead and open the app. And this time around, we won't use a QR code. We will use a app list to choose the crypto wallet that we want to use to log in. So let's click on Authenticate with Crypto Wallet. As you can see, we have this huge list of crypto wallets that we can use.
Amazing.
And in the first example, I use Trust Wallet. So let's go ahead and choose MetaMask this time. It opens the MetaMask app, opens the sign-in page, and tells you to connect directly. After you're connected, you can go back and sign the message as well. And you are signed in.
Yeah, I mean, it is insane. What you just saw, it is insane. And Moralis is going to be the easiest way. It's already the easiest way to build mobile apps in crypto. But imagine also that we have to do a bit of work to make the demo pretty. That we have, you know, some nice menus that you log in, you see a tab bar, you log in. We need to work a bit on the boilerplate so it looks amazing. So your mind is basically blown. Basically, what we have done right now with our React boilerplate, which is right now, if you go to ethereum/boilerplate on YouTube, on GitHub, let me actually post it here on YouTube as well. You will see what we've done with React, because this is the boilerplate that devs, I think, will like the most in the long run. That if you want to create an app, we've already done everything for you. You log in, you have your wallet, you can send assets back and forth. We have all of these components, which are standard. You see that you enter an address, and it is like this address input field. And it's very easy already, like a wallet already done for you in our boilerplate. You can go and send assets back and forth. Then already built in, we have the asset list. We have a DEX already built in. You can trade whatever asset to whatever asset you want. And this is just the React boilerplate. And we have made all of these components that are very standard in many libraries, but we've collected them in one. Like, for example, the address component. This one we got inspired by ETH Scaffold, that they have these very nice components. Address input, you're writing an address, and already it generates the image, as you can see. Or the chains. This one we built ourselves, I believe, at least. Don't quote me on that, but I don't think that any other boilerplate had it. I mean, some things we get inspired, like this, you know, address input, address, and address fields, because many boilerplates have them. But this, I think this is our own invention fully, that you can switch between chains. And the reason is because there are not many tools that are like Moralis, where you can build cross-chain so easily. So .chains is, this brackets chain component allows you to instantly have all of these chain selections in your application without any work, because this is standard. Everyone needs that. You can just change how it looks, how the UI is, and it already works. The price, coin price, very, very easy. You just have this element and it already works. Bam, bam. The balances, you just write ERC20 balance in React and it generates you this table with your balance. The transfers, you write the ERC20 transfers and already the whole transfer table is generated. You write DEX. I mean, we have a component, you write just DEX and it's already a working DEX. You can go wild and you can swap back and forth whatever you want. You write to wallet, it gives you a wallet, you can already go and transfer. I mean, this is mind-blowing stuff, to be honest. It is mind-blowing how easy it is right now. And we hope to work even more and implement more of these different components to make it even easier, to make it even faster. And so basically what you see now here, we want to do also the same thing for mobile, that you log in, you see a nice app already, it's already working, it's already very, very pretty, it's already the menus, the tab bars, all of that is already done. So that is in progress, it's gonna be here soon. And that is, I think, most of the things that have happened this week. As you can see, it's been a crazy week, from Chainlink to OpenSea launch, to Academy launch with Moralis Academy, to OpenSea plugin launch, to React Native launch, to boilerplate launch. A lot of things are now falling into place because we've been working on them for quite some time. And before we go to the AMA, of course, now we have to try out the weekly challenges and decide the winner. Actually, let's do a bit of Q&A before that. So in case there is some burning question from the community, I can answer now, and then we go into the demos of the submissions from weekly challenges. So when Harmony support, yeah, I see basically two questions about the same thing. Harmony support and cello, how do you say? Cello probably. Mobile first blockchain support React Native. Yeah, I mean, we're here to integrate everything that has TVL that is mooning. If Cello blockchain moons in TVL, we're gonna add it instantly. I'm not sure exactly how it works. Is it EVM or not? If it is EVM, it's very easy to add. And for us, whether it's Polygon, whether it's Binance Chain, whether it's Cello, whether it's Avalanche, we are creating a unified SDK on top of all of them. So we want to onboard, of course, as many blockchains as possible, but we are prioritizing those that have the most users. So that's important. Google Auth, when? I'm not sure what you mean. Maybe you mean that you can have two-factor authentication in Moralis. You can have it already. We have support for 2FA in Moralis for at least the last 3 weeks or so. Actually, we added it. So it's already supported. And if you have any more questions, you can ask either here or in the forum. EVM compatible, nice. Hey guys, I need to close the door. One second. I'm thinking this week's challenge is to create a poll app, but which poll should we use to decide the poll that we're gonna use? Maybe Krashimir, can you figure out? I need actually help from Krashimir here, because I don't want the repetition of the last week's disaster with the polls. So Krashimir, when we do the voting, can you organize a vote? Please write to me in the chat, because I need some help here. I don't want to do it alone this time. so hopefully Krashimir can help me. How did you find Moralis? It's really God's work you're doing. Oh, actually, we're gonna have an announcement, I think, this week. Yeah, I mean, basically, we are self-funded for a long time, and since a few months ago, we also onboarded more partners that work with us. We're gonna announce it soon, actually. And this way, we are funded for a long time, because we're here changing this industry. We're here changing it forever. So we're gonna have an announcement, I hope, already this week. It should be. So Krashimir, perfect. Krashimir will organize some kind of poll. EVM, okay, Cello is EVM, very nice. Moralis course in Academy, it is coming. We just mentioned it in the past, by the way. Make a Discord. Oh, we should do a Discord poll. Yes, Krashimir, can you organize? Of course. Yeah, we should do a Discord poll. I've never actually done Discord poll. I've never organized. Make it where users, yeah, you can do the, yes, yeah, okay, so you don't even need any integration. I will do that. Yes, it's actually very nice, yeah. Can we contribute to Moralis as a newbie Web3 developer? You can contribute to the SDK repository. If you go to Moralis Web3 JavaScript SDK, you can absolutely do that. So, yeah, so Krashimir, what we will do basically, yes. I mean, this is going to be super easy. We don't even have to organize anything. So I will create a message here with the different winners and which emoji you have to use in order to vote on the winner. We're gonna do like this. Yes, very nice. Oh, more announcements. I just remembered when I saw this. We now have levels. There is now levels for Moralis mages. As you can see, you basically have to write this exclamation mark rank, and you see your level in our community. So I'm level 79. I'm kind of the Grand Mage. I'm kind of the Dumbledore, okay? if you can call that. But basically, the more active we are in the community, the more levels we get in the community. All right? This is fantastic. This is fantastic. And as you can see, by the way, I will not reveal it, but we do have some secret rooms, very, very private secret rooms for people above a certain level. So for example, here you have the secret mage library section, and here you have only level 4 and up, like only level 10 and up, and this is, I think, only level 60 or something and up. Can I make it bigger? Maybe not. Yeah, I don't know how to make it bigger, but there is some secret rooms in the chat. Okay, guys. That being said, let's go to weekly challenge here. And let's see what people have submitted, because this week I did see a lot of submissions, which is fantastic. And as you know, each week, in order to submit, you have to provide the video, because I don't want to be demoing the real thing on the stream, because, you know, switching network, I mean, waiting for transaction, we don't have time for that. So that's why I'm asking you always to provide the video so we can watch the video, and then after the fact, we can also double check so it's actually a real app and not just some animation. So always provide the video. Let's see where it starts even. So last week was the 20th. So I did post. When did I post? Weekly challenge here. Okay. Well, I guess the first one is this one. I did it with smart contract, I suppose. Let's see. So this is from X Lawson. Okay. Do you see it? Welcome. Create. Okay, interesting. All right, so this is made purely with Moralis, and it's a poll. So you can create a poll. You write the title of the poll, the choices. Okay, nice. But the question is, how is it 6 choice max? I guess. All right, so you create the poll, you enter everything, then you write, then you click on create poll. Perfect. And then you can vote. You need to write which poll you vote for. So of course, it's very bare bones here. Maybe the UI, I mean, obviously, the UI is bare bones because you have to write. There's no like a drop down or anything. But you write the name and then you write what you, the option. And then we can see the results. But where are the results? No results? Maybe not. Ah, see results. Perfect. Yeah. So what should we call it? Let's call it. Oh, so Kreshimir, can you start creating the message and the emoji? So basically, want to write the name of the contestant, and so in this case, I have. Okay. I see in the chat. So ignore this one. I see Lawson is saying that he has a better one somewhere. So once again, I don't want to use like the real world demo. Instead, do you have a video for the? Here, there you go. Okay, so here's the lesson, guys. Don't post work in progress. Okay, post the real thing. Okay, so once again, we're rewinding back to the roots. Create poll. It says built with Moralis at the bottom. You cannot see it, but it says so. Yeah. You can add choices now. So it's not limited to some number of choices. Nice. So you can click add choice. It adds choices. Nice. And then you can vote. And it will not let you vote if you already... you have the code. So this is good. This is good. Perfect. So basically, yeah, once you vote, let's see. Once you vote, you can no longer vote again. You can just see the results, right? Nice. I like the centered design of this. It's in the center. So this is the first one. 0x Lawson. So please write that down, Kreshimir. 0x Lawson is the first one. Does it go on the blockchain? Yes, I believe it goes on the blockchain, right? Because you have to sign your vote. Here we're creating, I mean, why else do you put it on the... Where do you vote? You vote here? Yeah, I mean, I'm almost 100% certain it goes on the blockchain. Why else do you create a smart contract for it? But where does he vote? Search. You click? Ah, you click there. Got it. Ah, you click. You vote by clicking on the. Anyway, I'm sure it goes on the blockchain. But Lawson can confirm whether it goes on blockchain or not. But why do you create a smart contract if it doesn't go on the blockchain? All right, so that's the first one. Big shout out to the first contestant, Lawson. Yes. So the second one, let me write down so I don't forget. You gotta scroll down. Okay. Thanks for submission, Lawson. Really, really appreciated. Next one is this one. Zoom out. All right. Maybe it's just the. Where is it? Yeah, I mean, I can see it here. I don't know why it doesn't show in the... But I can see it. You click on the list names. Transform. Edit transform. Yeah. I mean, below here, I don't know why it doesn't show all the way. But below there is like, I can zoom out like this. Yeah, I don't know if you can see. But you basically click in the list. This is what I saw exactly. Okay, guys, let's move on. Let's not stay too much on one. But big shout out to Lawson. And let's see so I don't miss any videos here. Here's the second video. So this one is from Scorpio. Let's check what he has built. Yeah, so why can't I not see the whole thing? It's like cropped. Some kind of filter, transform. Edit transform. No, it is not some kind of filter. And I cannot really zoom out because it's video, but yeah, let's see. This is from Scorpio. Login using Moralis. And then this login screen showed up with MetaMask. Poll topic, poll option. Very nice. There you go. So here we have the recent polls. Okay, you can see all polls. You can see the username, the wallet, the balance. Because I guess you need BNB to... Yeah, exactly. Why is OBS cropping? I'm not too sure. You aren't whitelisted. Okay, so you need to be whitelisted to... Okay, so but where are the results? See, I have a big responsibility here to show all the ins and outs of the submissions. So you have poll topic, you want to vote. Why am I not whitelisted? I need to get whitelisted or what? And then I can do some voting clicking on another button. Okay. All right. Yeah, guys, so maybe you can add sound or something next time. I think the design is nice. The design is very nice. You even have some space here to have some ad pop-up. But I'm not really clear, like you vote, but it did. And where do you see results? Did I miss that? I'm really trying to represent the full picture here, how it works. But yeah, I don't see the results, guys. Maybe you can see it somewhere. Okay, so this is Scorpio. Nice design, but I don't really see... it's not... Man, I hope you didn't do another one. You did another one. Continuation. Yes, okay, here you can vote. Got it. So he continued building it after the fact. So basically, yeah, you can vote. Where do you see results? Yes, here, on-chain voting. Perfect. I'm not too sure what this whitelist is about. But you can add like specific people that can vote on your I login using the okay. So you need to get whitelisted. Nice. So, but where do you see results for each poll? Not sure, but you can vote some whitelisting stuff. The results, I don't know. Oh, also, it's multiple choice. So here you can enable multiple choice and non-multiple choice. Got it. Yeah. Share. Oh, this one I like. Share this poll with your friends. So you can actually get some adoption here. All in all, nice design, nice features, nice UI. I don't know where the results are though. Maybe I missed it. I'm sorry guys if I missed like part of your app, but I think we get the picture. Very nice. Thanks a lot, VS Scorpio. Bob, unfortunately, didn't have time to do it fully, but nice idea and design and nice storyboard. But yeah, next time would be fantastic to see something from you. Okay, so this is the second one that we just saw, Scorpio. Moving on to the third one is Golf Rido. Let's see. You say make it full screen. Should I do like this? Yeah, I mean, it's not a difference. Create a poll. Who won? So just to recap, the first one had all the functionality. You can create a poll, you can vote, you can see results. That's fantastic. All the functionality is there. You got like a code to find. So this was by Lawson, but the design was from the 90s, but at least it was centered. The second one was very nice design, had a bunch of features like whitelist and all of that, but I couldn't see how you see all the results. Maybe I missed it, but I'm just giving you my own summary. Now we have the third one. So the second one was Scorpio. The third one is Golfrido. So you can create poll, you can add options, you click create, you of course sign this thing, put it on chain. Okay, and then you see, yeah, you can vote, perfect. And when you vote, yes, it gets on chain because you get the MetaMask, perfect. And you can copy poll link, that's very nice. You can close votation, perfect. And then of course you can click around in different polls, I guess here on the left, if you have many polls. Yeah, I mean, this one, but... yeah, here's the winner, got it. Winner is this one. Yeah, so here you have the result. We have some interesting UI. I mean, we do clearly see that this UI is some kind of... I know how you did the UI, man. You Googled abstract wallpaper. You found this wallpaper. You put it as background. Then, I don't know if you use some kind of... I mean, I guess there is some kind of library for these buttons. And here you did border radius 10 or something. Yeah, very nice. I like the wallpaper. So this is designed maybe from 2000. I'm trying to remember, when I saw this website, maybe 2006. This is designed, at least this is era after the 2000. In 2006, I think, I remember these times you can create a blog somewhere and is this kind of design of some, snowflakes, you can add effects. Anyway, big shout out to Golfrido for the third submission. Let's see, we have Quadusao with the fourth one. Quadusao. Okay. Web poll. Oof. He thinks he is Chainlink. Almost. But yeah, very nice design. I like it. Whoa. Here we have 2015 plus era of like SaaS design. Wow, this is very nice actually. Let's see. Whoa. This is like Dropbox. This is Chainlink design, Dropbox design. Very nice. I like it. New poll. Create poll. Whoa. Yeah, I really like the design here. Here the design is from our age. Modern age. So you create the poll name. You create... The scrolling does not really work. Anyway. Duration. Man, you have duration. Did Loco have a video? Maybe I missed him. But Loco also joined our team, and I will check what he has. But being part of our team, by the way, a big shout out to Loco for joining the team. But we cannot have winners from our own team. But I will check what... because of course we don't want to be giving the NFT to ourselves. Although I really want an NFT. I think it would be for the best of the community if I could use an NFT on Twitter. I mean, that would be nice. So on Twitter, maybe we can have it. But we will not, I think we will not mint team NFTs. But yeah, let's see. At the end of the day, we want it to be special. Like, we don't want the NFTs to be special once a week. You know, you can only get them via the challenge. But maybe I'll just create like a profile picture for myself without doing an NFT, because it will give a lot of exposure, of course, if we can use the images as Twitter. Anyway, guys, so I kind of zoned out here, but yeah, I mean, very nice. It looks like he has everything. You can find poll, you can vote in poll. Yeah, vote is here below. I mean, once again, the screen issue, but he has a vote button here below. You sign, find the poll. Yeah, you can find poll. Anyway, I think this is right now my favorite. Very nice design. You can do like polls. He really put a lot of time. You can clearly see that. No account, can vote twice. Yeah, I mean, this one, Kwasado, congrats. So where is Locos? Ah, here's Locos. Here's Locos. Let's see. Man, I mean, speaking about design, this is back to 2000, maybe 2001. But, you know, in 2001, we didn't have this real-time action. You need the Ajax for that. So maybe it's not 2000. Ajax, maybe 2005 you need. Loco, let's see, you connect. Big shout out to Loco, by the way. He did a video for our Moralis YouTube channel also this week. You can create poll. Perfect. Nice. I like this one. The auto update. Who has won? Nice. And yeah, the options are here below. Man, I really wish I could show you the full thing. See, previously I downloaded the videos and opened them. Yeah, but you see the options. Bam, bam, bam. Close. Who won? But do you see result? Verify to who won, vote for A, vote for B. Thanks for voting. And do you see result? I don't see the result. But big shout out to Loco for making this. But do you have result page or no? Maybe not. And that's basically it. That's basically it. There you go. So Loco is disqualified because he's in our team, but big shout out to you, of course. Then we have the Kwasado, this one, with the modern design, like chainlink design. Exactly, the nostalgic of all the academic colors TV. Then we have Golfrido with the wallpaper design and basically all features. Then we have Scorpio with also very nice modern design, but I didn't see the results page. Maybe I'm blind or something. Let's see again. Where's the... Man, I don't see the results. But, I mean, there's gotta be some result page, I guess. Maybe he just didn't record it. So let's just give him the benefit of the doubt and say that there is a result page somewhere. And then we have the good old... This one. From the 90s. But it is from the 90s, but it is with Ajax, because you can see the, like, it's yeah, I mean, this in the 90s would not be possible that you can vote, that you can see this in real time. But yeah, you didn't see it because it's here below. Man, why can I not see? Yes, what did I do? I didn't do anything. What the hell? Wow, OBS is not very trustworthy. What the hell? So basically, I just reselected the monitor and it changed the resolution, and now it shows the full thing. And before, it was same monitor, but the resolution was cropped. Now we can give justice to Lawson for his voting. So basically, you see this at the bottom. This is how you vote here. I mean, I guess you click on his list, right? You click, yeah, and then it says you already voted. Let's vote, guys. Go to weekly challenge here and you vote. And you vote. Goldfrido, I see you in the chat. Nice, 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 guys. And the prize, as you know, the prize today is a very nice prize, actually. It's a very nice prize. Why? Because it is the Moralis Malevolent. Malevolent Moralis. Moralis Malevolent. Why? Because he's crazy. And this is why it is in Halloween. Moralis Malevolent is here and has arrived. Last week we did have Moralis Marauder, and who won it? Not in the chat, but Legend is in the chat. And Legend won a few weeks back Moralis Magmatic. Exactly. Now, we have still Tijan. Tijan still did not get his NFT. He's getting it probably today. So basically there's gonna be another NFT here today. because we are reminting the ones from the old collection. You know, we basically forked our old collection towards profile pictures, and we still have not reissued one of them. To Moralis Mogul is not reissued. We have Moralis Mectician. And you know, my biggest question here is, when will someone start selling? Because nobody has sold. As you can see, we have 0 volume. And these mages, they have offers. Like this guy, he can sell this one for $1,000. This guy can sell it for 0.16. So yeah, let's see how much this one gives. But it's very interesting to see that there is some demand. There is some demand. Let's see what's gonna happen. OBS is weird. Yes, it is weird. So let's vote, guys. Let's vote. I don't want to bias the voting, but I do like the one that is like Dropbox Chainlink design. Which one? Quadasao. Yeah, I mean. Yeah, I mean, you see he put a lot of effort here. Best on the... So let's see. Maybe we can use this next time for on-chain voting. But do you have some code here? Where's your code, Quadasao? Yeah, so please guys go and vote here, and let's take some Q&A. And before we end the stream, we're gonna pick the new winner, of course. What is the next weekly challenge, guys? The next weekly challenge. It's massive. It's massive. It's massive. It's almost like I don't want to say yet, but the next weekly challenge is massive, guys. Okay, let me tell it to you. Next weekly challenge is to create something with React Native. I don't care what you do, but start coding today and create something for mobile. This is, I don't know how many submissions we're gonna get. I hope many, but also this is a bit foreign to many people, and it's a great way to start learning. Go and watch our Ethereum React Native boilerplate tutorial, so you can start learning how it works. Because literally, if you learn React Native, you learn React Native Moralis, man, it's not many people that can do what you can do, because there is not a good way, a good library for crypto mobile development. There is not. And that's why Moralis here is really changing this whole industry with bringing a very nice mobile experience. And we're only starting. I'm gonna push a lot of content on this. We're gonna push a lot of content on mobile. And because React Native, it is basically native. I mean, it's not technically native, but practically it is native. At least that was my impression. I think so. But anyway, this is groundbreaking. I'm not joking. This is groundbreaking. And we've been working so hard on it. And I haven't had time yet to create content. And that's why we only have one video with Malik. But we're going to push a lot on mobile. So the next week, yeah, I see Erno in the chat. So Erno did a lot of work to make it happen. So next week challenge. Next week challenge, React Native apps, do what you want. But it has to be React Native. As always, submit, as always, you have to submit video. As always, submit video and link to repo. And and link to repo. But video is very important, yes, because without video, you see, even with video, even when we have video, it takes like time to understand it. Imagine if we don't have video, I have to live test everything, like go switch wallets, switch A, it's gonna be too long. Submit video and link to repo and tutorial. Yeah, I mean, this is going to be very interesting. I don't know how many submissions we get. I hope we get some submission. Sorry. Each week we get at least one submission. But this one is a bit spicy. It is spicy. Why? Because I don't know if many people have even tried crypto development for mobile, but I hope that this will blow your mind. For all Ofus, yeah, we're looking for moderator, of course. If you are for all Ofus, write something in Discord that you are a moderator for sure. Yeah. Especially if you are a developer and you can help out in the forum and help with development, it's fantastic. So Loco is both in forum. He's doing videos on YouTube and forum, video, Discord. He's right now, I don't know what to call it, developer advocate, I guess. community manager potentially, we need to be better with formal titles, you know. Some people come to us, they ask me, hey, Ivan, what title will I get? Bro, I don't know what title I will get, okay? as long as we perform great work together, you can pick your title. But I know that, you know, as organization grows, we cannot be like that. We need to be better at titles. Is good practice React for web development do this challenge? So here you need to use React Native. So React for web development is not exactly the same as React Native. It's not really gonna work on mobile. Practically, it's not gonna work if you use normal React. Technically, it should work, but you're gonna tinker so much because we've had people try to use Moralis React for React Native themselves, but they encounter a lot of issues. And that's why we created our own official Moralis React Native, where we have solved all issues, and it's very easy for you. Now, with React Native, you need also to be a bit patient because React Native itself, it's, I mean, sometimes you need to tinker with it yourself still. But it's gonna pay off because you can do cross-chain apps. Yeah, it's gonna pay off for sure. But to your question, is it good practice to use React for web development to do this challenge? No, I would say you need React Native. So you basically need to watch this video that I posted and start tinkering with this repository. And the React Native community, it's massive in the traditional web and mobile development, but mobile development, of course. But in crypto, React Native is very small. I mean, Erno and I, Erno from our team who is in the chat, we basically found Coffee, okay? We found Coffee. What is this? Coffee is a guy on Twitter, by the way. Big shout out to him. Go and follow him. Let me find him. Let me, yeah, let me do like this. Coffee. 1 second. I need to switch some accounts here. Oh man, I don't have the correct. Coffee. Where is the guy? Coffee. I know I tweeted about the guy. About the coffee guy. By the way, SHIB. Let me know if you are in the fundamentals of SHIB. So the guy Coffee, it's one of the only guys who is doing, and here's by the way some demo about the merch. Oh, Krashimir, let's do some merch giveaway. Please create a discount for 10 people who are watching the stream, so you can get $100 for free. Let's actually do this. So guys, Krashimir, post a discount code here in weekly challenge in the Discord. Basically, 10 people can get anything they want in the merch store, $100, like the first ones that watch it, of course. But yeah, let's do it. It's let's reward the live viewership. We need to do that. And by the way, guys, notifications, put them on. Set calendar reminder. So Krashimir will create a discount code here on post soon. But where is Coffee? I want to give a shout out to him because this guy. Did I post about him? Coffee, or did I? Man, where is he? I know I posted about the guy. There! Cav free. Okay, not Coffee, but Cav free. Okay, so this guy, let me follow him also from the Academy account. And why is this still old? Oh, this is my placeholder. Yeah. We moved the brand to this placeholder account. Yeah, because now we're Moralis Academy. So this is the placeholder holding the logo and handle. But anyway, this guy, he's basically... So coming back to the topic here, the topic that I was saying is that if you start using React Native in crypto, you're like one of the few people that actually create mobile apps in crypto. You're one of the very, very few, maybe less than 10% of crypto devs have done anything for mobile. And so with Moralis, you're one of the very, very few. And this guy, Cav Free, he was one of the first to start messing with React Native. And we took a lot of what he has done open source, and he helped us a lot to make Moralis React Native work, because we built on top of his work. And the reason I'm saying this is because when you say, can I use normal React for React Native, you cannot. I mean, it's not going to be easy anyway. Because this guy spent a lot of time building the boilerplate that we could then leverage in order to make Moralis work. And that itself took weeks for us to do. So yeah, we've done a lot. So don't reinvent the wheel. Just go here to Moralis Web3 channel on YouTube that you're watching now, by the way, and watch this, because we've served you everything on a silver plate here. Why don't you say let's go? Exactly, man. It was long time. Sometimes it feels like from another life, but it is also kind of another life. What we did in the past and what we focused on in the past, my team and I, what we do now, man, it's so different. So it's a lot of people ask, hey Ivan, when Good Morning Crypto again? But it's so much other focus now, completely different focus what we're doing, and I rather do streams like this tech. But then of course I still love the markets. We still do the streams, not the streams but the videos on Ivan on Tech. So it's still fantastic, but yeah, I doubt we will go back to Good Morning Crypto like it was in the past. But it was amazing times. It was yeah, maybe the best time in my life with Good Morning Crypto. But now it's a whole other page. I mean, this chapter is very different. It's way more exciting for me long term than to do, because I mean, what kind of personal development do I get from saying go and doing Good Morning Crypto every day? I've done it for 3 years. Instead, we build and change the world. I mean, this is Moralis. We're changing the world here. We are already, you go to my Twitter, I mean, this is way more satisfying for me when we are doing something that is highly appreciated like this. You see, we're #1 dev tool. I mean, this is massive. It's absolutely massive. So, yeah, the Good Morning Crypto, it was amazing days. Is it coming back? I don't think so, guys. So sorry to disappoint you. But yeah, we can always be nostalgic about that. Yeah, but it was very nice times. It was fantastic. Biddle, exactly. Back to Biddle, back to tech. Already got my merch store. Do you know where I can hire a developer? You can ask in Moralis Discord, and soon we're launching Moralis Experts. But first we need to do a Moralis Academy course about Moralis, which we still don't have. I mean, we have so many courses because as I told in the beginning of the stream, we have rebranded. We've rebranded. Man, it's so nice. The design team has done such a good job. Let's see. Oh, this is where I'm now. Ethereum dapp programming. We have all. Man, it's so nice. Wow. I didn't even have time to really check this myself, to be honest, because we just switched it. Oh my god, it's so nice. The new Moralis design is way better than Ivan on Tech design we had in the past. So what was I saying? We have a bunch of content here. We don't have Moralis content yet in the Moralis Academy, but it is coming. It is coming. We're gonna have a massive Moralis course here. So on that note, guys, fantastic time. Fantastic to be here together. Oh, the winner, of course, the winner. Here is, by the way, the code supporter, guys. If you go to merch store, you can buy anything for $100, free shipping. We even made free shipping because some of you guys told us that you know, the shipping is not free. You're giving away free stuff, but the shipping is not free. I think now we even have free shipping. Krashimer can confirm that. So you can get anything you want for $100. 10 people can get it. And we need to give away more merch. It's almost like I want to give away more merch. We need to provide you with clothes, so you can do less laundry. You can focus more on development. You can focus more on learning React Native, for example, because laundry will not change your life. You're just wasting time. So if we can give you some nice t-shirt, some nice polo, some hoodie, perfect. We can extend your laundry time with a few days, perfect. We don't have underwear yet. Maybe we should have that. You guys let me know. Okay, for the winner of this challenge, we have a clear winner, number 4, which is Quasayo. I don't know. It's some kind of a Squid Game character. What is it? Kudusayo. Yeah. Well deserved. What can I say? Well deserved. Well deserved. On second place, we have number 2, which was what? Oh, it was this one with nice design, but I don't know where the functionality for seeing the results is. And then we had number 3, the shared number 3 place with the 90s design, Lawson, but all functionality. Congrats. And the other one was the wallpaper guy. Yeah, abstract wallpaper guy. Big shout out to you guys. Big shout out. Thanks for participating. And the winner here, Quadasao, please DM Krashimer with your address where you want the NFT. And Krashimer, please ensure that it's not a scammer. You need to verify the identity. So it's not some kind of impersonator. So Crashmer will be verifying the identity, and we're gonna give away the Moralis Malevolent. Now, if you can figure out a pattern here, you get some extra points. Do you see any pattern? With each and every week, we need to be creative. We need to not only do the design, but we have to find a name that starts with M. As you can see, it's Moralis Monastic, Moralis Marauder, Moralis Magmatic, Moralis Mactician, Moralis Malevolent. We did have some ideas like Moralis Masochist, but yeah, it's not really fitting. If you have some ideas, write in Discord what you want us to name it. Because if you write in Discord, maybe you give us some ideas. No, it's not the colors. It's Moralis Monastic. Moralis Moralis. Guys, thanks a lot. Fun time together. Hope to see you next week. Same place, same time. And I hope to see a lot of Moralis React Native apps. Moralis React Native. Not Fantasia. It has to be MM. It cannot be Moralis Fantasia. It needs to be Moralis M something, okay? Moralis, exactly. Always MM. Moralis, yeah, see, English is not my strong thing. Metallic, magnetic, magnetic, M. Yeah, I don't know, guys. See you next week. Goodbye. Maharaja. Yeah, Maharaja. Wait, what is Maharaja? I did hear it before, yeah. Okay, guys. Monk. No, Monk is too simple. It's gotta be something more sophisticated. Guys, see you next week. Smash the like. Stay tuned for more content. So this week, I'm gonna do more Moralis React Native content. Mastodon, I'm thinking about these elephants. Social network elephants. Moralis is magnificent. Thanks, Dre. Moralis Monster. Yeah, man, we need to be more sophisticated. Not Moralis, I mean Moralis Monster. It's too simple. It needs to be something a bit more sophisticated. You have to be at least above, 3rd grade in English in order to participate in the naming. But guys, once again, thanks. Hindi word, Maharaja, King. Maharaja. Yeah, Maharaja. I like that one. Maharaja. Yes. That's a good one. Maharaja. Yeah. We need that one, Phil. Bought merch, nice. So if you buy merch, please post on Twitter so we can share the love. Maharaja, I like that one. Guys, thank Mobster. Yeah, maybe Morpheus. Yeah, Morpheus. McGonagall. I like McGonagall. I'm thinking about this Harry Potter lady, but maybe we can have Moralis McGonagall, Gonna get sued by the copyright guys. We're gonna get sued by J.K. Rowling if we take McGonagall, but maybe we should take it. I mean, she doesn't have patent for that name. Maze. Montgomery. Morpheus. I like Morpheus. Montgomery. I don't know what it is. Maybe we can have it. What is this? Is it some Midsummer Murder? Yeah, but never mind this. For some reason, I thought about that series. Yeah. We should have McGonagall. Yeah. And then we should have guest speech by J.K. Rowling to explain to us the powers. Guys, have a good day.